feel this way forever. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson.
So what's up, peeps? First class of the day. While most people missed yesterday's classes, today almost everyone is here. And what just happened is, so one of our friends has a really psycho girlfriend who he's been dating since last year, and she's in our class, and she's a fucking psycho. Like, I'm not kidding, she's psycho. So when I realized she was in class, I yelled out loud, "What the fuck?" And now I'm in a little bit of trouble. Isn't that right? Yeah. So first class of the day. Yay. So people, it's like 4 o'clock and I fucking fell asleep. That shouldn't have happened because I have swim lessons, or I was supposed to go to swim at like 3 and it'd be over by 4:40. Since it's 4 right now and I just woke up, I don't think it's worth it for me to still go. But I might get up in a little bit to go, like, I don't know, maybe go out. My friend is taking her dog to the veterinarian. Maybe I'll go with her. I don't know. I'm too tired to even function. I don't know how the fuck this happened. I seriously had a fucking alarm to get up, go to swim. And here I am, laying in my couch. So guys, it's almost like 4:40 or something, and I just found out my friend already took her dog to the vet since I am home, and there's something on the fridge that I would like to make. I'm gonna make caramel and make a video tutorial about that, so space on the stove for this. So you take everything you have over here. You take this and put everything over there. So
2,000 years later.
thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far into the vlog, I fucking love y'all. See you tomorrow.
So great for my city, I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.
Yes, guys, I did actually eat the caramel. It didn't look good, but it tasted awesome.